Hello and welcome to my flipped classroom. I have created a life science lesson for kindergarten. The standard is the following. 2. Different types of plants and animals inhabit the earth. As a basis for understanding this concept, C. Students know how to identify major structures of common plants and animals. Examples are leaves, roots, arms, wings, legs. Okay, today we will be learning about the parts of plants and animals, but first let's go ahead and watch this video on the different parts of a plant.
I'm gonna tell you all about the plants, all of the parts and how they grow. Now just sit right down and enjoy the song. Your lesson starts right now and here we go. There's a root that absorbs the water. It helps the plant to stand up tall. The roots hold the stem and the stem supports the plant. Oh, it sends nutrients to them all. And then there's leaves, so important. The leaves capture all the sun. Then leaves make food to form a flower. Oh, now all the plants can reproduce.
Okay, so let's go ahead and go over the parts of a plant. Here we have a picture of a plant, and we see that a plant has flowers, a stem, roots, and leaves. All plants have roots. All plants have a stem. All plants have leaves. All plants have flowers. These are the roots of a plant. The roots suck the water and nutrients up to the plant. Here we see the roots of this plant. This is the stem of a plant. The stem helps support the leaves. Here is the stem. These are the leaves of a plant. The leaves make food for the plant. Here we see the leaves of this plant. These are the petals. Petals are often bright in color. Petals attract pollinators such as bees. Here are the petals of this plant. This is a sunflower. The flower is used to make more plants. Here is the flower of this plant. Let's go over what we learned so far. A plant has flowers, leaves, a stem, and roots. Now that we have gone over the parts of a plant, let's go over the parts of an animal. We will first watch this video on the different parts of an animal.
Ears, wings, tail, paws, beak, whiskers, eyes, claws. Ears, wings, tail and paws, tail and paws. Ears, wings, tail and paws, tail and paws. Beak and whiskers, eyes and claws. Ears, wings, tail and paws, tail and paws.
Okay, let's go ahead and go over the different parts of a bird. All birds have eyes. All birds have a beak. All birds have feathers. All birds have wings. All birds have a tail. All birds have feet. All birds have claws. All birds lay eggs. All birds have eyes. Birds use their eyes to help guide them when they fly. Here we see the eye of this bird. All birds have a beak. Birds use their beak to eat and feed their young. Here we see the picture of this bird's beak, and it's trying to pick up something to eat. All birds have feathers. Birds use their feathers to protect them from the cold. Here we see the feathers of this bird. All birds have wings. Some birds use their wings to fly. Here are the wings of this bird. All birds have a tail. Birds use their tail to steer and maneuver when they fly. Here we see the tail of this bird. All birds have feet. Birds use their feet to walk and grip on food. Here we see the feet of this bird, and we also see the bird gripping on some food. All birds have claws. Birds use their claws for protection. Here we see the claws of this bird. All birds lay eggs. The eggs produce more baby birds. Here we see the eggs, and then in this picture we see a baby bird being hatched. Now let's go over the parts of elephants. All elephants have eyes. All elephants have a trunk. All elephants have ears. All elephants have lips. All elephants have tusks. All elephants have feet. All elephants have a tail. All elephants have teeth. All elephants have eyes. Elephants have poor eyesight, which means they can't see very well. Here we see the eye of this elephant. All elephants have trunks. Elephants use their trunks for grasping, breathing, feeding, dusting, smelling, drinking, and lifting. Wow, they can do a lot with their trunks. Here is the trunk of an elephant. All elephants have large ears. Elephants use their ears to keep themselves cool. Here are the ears of this elephant. All elephants have lips. Elephants use their lips to hold onto plants while they eat. Here is the lip or lips of this elephant. All elephants have tusks. Elephants use their tusks for protection, digging, and lifting. Wow, those tusks do come in handy. Here is a picture of the elephant's tusks. All elephants have feet. Elephants use their feet for walking and digging. Here is the picture of the elephant's feet. All elephants have a tail. Elephants use their tail to swat insects. Here we have a picture of the elephant's tail. All elephants have teeth. Elephants use their teeth to grind their food. Here we can see the elephant's teeth back here. I hope you are now familiar with the parts of plants and animals. Once you're done watching this video, I want you to go ahead and take a short quiz. Good luck!